Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine and doing well. Today I will teach you lesson 19, homophones. See, children, there are some words, they are pronounced in the same or almost same way, but they have different meanings. They are known as homophones. See, some words like, I'll give you the example, right. We say right, it has two spellings. WRITE, right, means you are writing, you are penning something. And another right, 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 means correct. Okay. Now see the pronunciation. Pronunciation is the same. What is coming out from your mouth is same, but its spelling is different and it has different meaning. This is known as homophones. There are so many words which are pronounced same, whose pronunciation is same, but spelling and meanings are different. So open your book, page number 81. Let's start homophones. See, children, homophones. Some words pronounced in the same or almost the same way have different meanings. They are known as homophones. Just now I gave you the example. See, more examples are given in your book. One is A. See, weak. And this is also weak. But the spellings are different and the meaning is also different. See, WEAK, weak means not strong. And WEEK means days of the week. Alright. 7 days. That is week. Another word is pale. This is also pale and this is also pale. But PAIL, pale, means a bucket. And PALE, pale, means light in color or shade. Now here there is an exercise in which we have to choose the correct word given in the box and read the sentence and fix the correct word in the blank so that the sentence is meaningful. Okay. Now the first one is done. 1, see in the box it is given ONE1 and WN1. Both are pronounced same, 1, and this is also 1. Now you have to place the correct word in the sentence so that the sentence is meaningful. Rita could not answer even dash question. Even one question, that is one only. Okay. And see another one. Smita answered all the question and won a prize. Now see, one here, one means single, and here this WN1 means victory, winning getting reward for something you have done. Alright. Now see, number 2. Box, in the box, see, 2 words are given. Allowed, allowed. Both are pronounced same. Pronunciation is same, but the spelling is different and the meaning is also different. ALOUD, allowed, means loudly, and ALLOWED, allowed, means permission. You are permitted. Okay. Now see the sentence and let's fix the correct word here. You are not dash to swim in the sea at night. Now what you will write here? You are not permitted to swim in the sea at night. At night it is a risk to swim in the sea because high waves, high tide comes at night. So here you will put allowed, ALLOWED, allowed. Now what is left? ALOUD, which means loudly. read the poem aloud so that all of us can enjoy it. Correct? Now see another third one. Two words are given, both are noun same. Blue, blue. B-L-U-E, blue means color, and B-L-E-W, blue means to blow. Okay. Now do you know why the sky looks simple? Blue. B-L-U-E. Okay. And the second one, the referee dashed his whistle and the match was over. Now here, B-L-E-W, blue means the referee, they carry whistle. When the match is to start the match, they blow the whistle. So here it will be blue. Alright. Now see, number 4, B-Y buy and B-U-Y buy. This B-U-Y buy means to bring something from the market, pay money and get something from the market or from the shopkeeper. And this buy means done by, someone has done it. If anything is done, who has done? This work is done by this fellow. Alright. So mother went to the market to buy some vegetables. Here it will be B-U-Y buy. Follow? Mother went to the market to buy some vegetables. And the second one, the Ramayana was written by Valmiki. Just now I said, no, who has written Ramayana? It was written by Valmiki. Number 5, C-E-L-L cell and S-E-L-L cell. C-E-L-L cell means prisoners are put in a cell, jail you can say. Culprits are put in, when they are taken to the jail, they are put into cell, put in a cell. Alright. So the thief was arrested and put in a C-E-L-L cell at the police station. Turn the page. Now S-E-L-L cell is left. So S-E-L-L cell means he wants to sell his old car so that he can buy a new one. Follow? Now see, next number 6, D-U-E due and D-E-W due. What is the meaning of due? This due, D-U-E due is a region. Alright, Vajay. And D-E-W due means what you see these days when you get up in the morning, go out and see water, droplets on leaf and all, that is dew. Alright. So see, the plane could not take off due to bad weather. What was the reason? Weather was bad, that is why plane could not take off. So the plane could not take off due to bad weather. Alright. Another one is dash does not fall from the sky. Dew does not fall from the sky. Clear? Rain falls from the sky. Dew does not fall from the sky. Number 7, hare. H-A-R-E, hare. It's a kind of animal, rabbit type of animal. More or less, rabbits are called hare also. And this H-A-I-R, hare, which you are having on your head. So see, Rita tied her dash with a ribbon. What you tie with the ribbon? Hair, H-A-I-R. See, hair. And the hare is an animal like a rabbit. Next, number 8. New, K-N-E-W, new, N-E-W, new. K-N-E, new is the past tense of know. Followed? You know anything, that is new, past tense of know. During festival, people usually wear dash clothes. Definitely, here you cannot write K-N-E-W. What you'll write? N-E-W, new, brand new clothes. And another one is, nobody knew the answer to that question. Follow. Now the next one is none, N-O-N-E, none, and N-U-N, none. N-O-N-E, none means nobody. And NUN, nun, sisters. You see in the school, Sister Dhanya, Sister Divya, they are nun. Okay. Now see the sentence. The old man has dash to look after him. The old man has nobody to look after him. So here you will write NONE, nun. The nun cared for the poor and the sick. So A will be NONE, nun, and B you will write NUN, nun. Next is REIG and rain and RAI and rain. REIG and rain means period, time, and RAI and rain, water that falls from the sky. Now see what is it does not rain. If it does not rain, all the crops will die. Clear? Tansen lived during the reign of Akbar, during the period of Akbar. So here it will be REIG and rain, B, and A will be RAIN. Next is RED, red, and READ, red. READ, read, you say, but the past tense of read is pronounced red. Spelling is same. So have you dash Gulliver's Travels. Gulliver's Travels is a book. So have you read Gulliver's Travel? A car must stop at a red light. This is color, red light. 12th one is sun. Question number 12. Son and son. Son, your brother, father's another child is son. Another boy is son. And this sun that shines in the sky. Akbar was the son of Humayun, S-O-N. After the rain, the sun, S-U-N, sun, came out and everything looked bright and clean. Alright. Now see this one, 13. Some and some. Here some means quantity. Some animals can be easily tamed. It may be this some means more also, less also. Number is not clear, so we say some. Alright. Some animals can be easily tamed. And this is Rajiv could not do that difficult sum. Maths me you get the question and that is a sum. And the 14th one, TAIL, tail, and TALE, tail. TAIL, tail means animals are having, monkeys having a long tail. This is tail, alright. And TALE, tail means story. So Alibaba is an interesting TALE, tail, alright. And the monkey was hanging from the branch by its tail. Now see, the last one is TWO2, that is number, and TOO2 means more than normal. Alright. Now see, I could not drink the tea as it was too hot. More than normal, it was very hot. So here it will be TOO2, and here 2 and 2 make 4. Alright. So I think homophones is clear to you all. You will do this in the book copy itself, and definition of homophones I'll send you, you'll write in the book.